Hello. In this video, we'll be going over the worksheet to calculate your net operating loss carryover from 2023 to 2024. So this is for people who have calculated their net operating loss in the 2023 tax year, have determined their net operating loss based on their Worksheet 1 calculations of IRS Publication 536. So this is Worksheet 3, also in IRS Publication 536. It's a fairly straightforward worksheet, so we're going to go through it fairly briefly. However, there are a couple of things that you should note. So you're going to need to have calculated your excess business loss on IRS Form 461, line 16. That's the amount that you would enter on Schedule 1 of your tax return as a additional income. So basically, you're disallowing that excess business loss in this year that you've already calculated, and now you're going to push that business loss to a future tax year. So also, a side note, since we mentioned Worksheet 1 and Worksheet 3, you would need to use Worksheet 2 to calculate any NOL carryovers for NOL years prior to 2018. So this is pretty straightforward. You're going to take the line 24 amount from Worksheet 1 if it's less than 0. So you're going to enter that amount as a negative number, which we did right here. Now, there may be a portion of that number that you decide to carry back and use. So we can't include that as a carryover if we've carried it back. So in this case, I just put in $3,000. Our hero John Doe used $3,000 and carried it back to a prior year return. And then the excess business loss from his Form 461, line 16, we'll enter that here as a negative number. So it's negative $2,000. And then we simply combine these three numbers. We come up with negative $9,000. And this will be the NOL that you carry over to the 2024 tax year. So that's all that we have for this video. We did mention a couple forms, and I did mention a different worksheet. So we'll put links in the show notes to both the walkthrough on Worksheet 1 as well as articles and videos we've created for Schedule 1 and IRS Form 461. So if you have any, if you like our articles, please subscribe to our newsletter. If you like our YouTube channel, you can feel free to subscribe. One last note, you can read just about any of our tax articles. We've created walkthroughs for quite a few tax forms. So if you go to teachmepersonalfinance.com, type in the name of the tax form that you're interested in, odds are pretty likely that it will come up. And if it hasn't come up, please send me a note. I may already have it in my editorial calendar, but you never know. So I'm always looking for articles to write. And you guys are a great source of inspiration for the next video or article. So like I said, if you have any comments or questions that I can answer in a video, please hit me up in the comments section. Thank you very much and have a great day.